For the next few minutes, I'm going to go over some best practices for dispatching when using myServiceApprentice. The first one is placing pending assignments on the dispatch board when you're scheduling for the future. Let me explain. Right here I'm looking at July 5th, which is currently in the future. And all these assignments on the dispatch board are pending. If I have another work order here I'm going to schedule, again, I'm saying it's before July 5th, and I'll say I'm going to create a new assignment on this work order. Well, I want to go ahead and put it on July 5th. That's what I determined is going to work for us and the customer. And I know I have availability at 3 p.m. for this technician. And we'll put it on the dispatch board for an hour and a half. And this is the key right here. The status, I am going to leave that as pending. And I'll save that assignment. So you'll see this assignment's on the board for July 5th, 3 p.m. for 1.5 hours, and the status is pending. So I'll go over to the dispatch board, and sure enough, there's my assignment that I just placed on the board. So all these assignments are pending. Now, what we see a lot of our customers do is the night before, or very early that morning, but a lot of customers will do it the night before. They'll log into the system, check the board for the following day, and go right up here to click Dispatch All. So now all those assignments are available for my technicians on the 5th. So that's the first best practice. The next one is using the reassign feature of an assignment. Let's say we have an assignment that's already been dispatched and we need to go ahead and reassign that for whatever reason. Well, that's where you want to click on the D inside the assignment block. So I'll click on the D, and that brings up that particular assignment for that work order. So now all I need to do is click Reassign, and you'll see when I click Reassign, it's going to automatically cancel the assignment I was just working on and bring up a brand new assignment to be made. Maybe they needed to reschedule for the 6th. Great. We'll go ahead and put that assignment now on the board. Let's say 8 a.m. for this technician, and we'll put it on the board for an hour and a half. And again, we're scheduling for the future, so I am going to leave this status as pending. And when I save this, it's going to put that on the board, as you can see right here. I'll close this down. And if I go from July 5th on the board over to July 6th, there we have it. Now, back to using Dispatch All, one thing that I did not mention, and I want to make clear, is the Dispatch All only affects the day that is currently showing. It will not dispatch calls for July 6th, July 7th, or any dates in the future, or the past for that matter. It's only going to affect the calls or the assignments on the day that is currently showing on the dispatch board. And again, reassign, you click on the D, and that's a really nice and easy way to reschedule an assignment that has already been dispatched. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to use our online chat at the myServiceForce Business Center at www.myserviceforce.com, or email us at support@myserviceforce.com.